it's your girl June, and I'm back at it again with another video. So look, I'm doing good. I'm on the roll. I've made like 3 different videos in the same outfit in the same day. So that's probably why y'all wonder why she got the same clothes on, because I'm on a roll and I feel motivated. So I'm gonna motivate y'all a little bit. So today I'm gonna do a how to start a YouTube channel video. First off, you don't need much. All you need is your phone, a tripod, and you, yourself, and I. That's really it. How you start a YouTube channel, you gotta have a passion for something so you can have something to show people and something to talk about. That's my #1 step to having a YouTube channel. Not even the camera, not even the quality, not even the lighting, sis. Like, or my man, my good sir. You just need passion. Once you have like a passion that you have, that way you could just talk about it all day long. Like me running my mouth all day long. But that's 1. 2, it's good to have some type of camera. Like, I use my phone and my GoPro to make videos. I use my GoPro sometimes off and on, and I do use my phone on and off. But mainly when I do vlogs, I use my phone because I'm not trying to lose my GoPro. That's dead. But when I'm making my videos at home, I do use my GoPro. Just not today because I don't feel like it. But make sure you have your cell phone. That's really important, so you can record yourself and you can also edit videos from your phone. What I used for editing videos on my cell phone was iMovies. I used that to edit all my videos, even on my computer. That's what I use. And a tripod is really helpful because you could just, bam, stick your phone on the tripod. It's wraps, because you all good after that. And that's mainly it. You just need yourself, passion, a phone, and a tripod. And you can get a tripod anywhere. I got mine at $5 and below for $5. So if you got 5 on it, bet, go and get you a tripod. And also step number 3, I think I'm on 3, I can't remember, but make sure you have motivation, because this isn't easy, getting on the camera and talking and making new content and things like that. But make sure you can self-motivate yourself. Do not depend on nobody else to do anything for you or to motivate yourself, because at the end of the day, this is your channel and what you say goes, basically. So make sure you have really self-motivation. That's what I've been lacking of. That's why I've been slacking, but back at it again, you feel me? So step number 4, make sure you stay consistent. Make sure you do stay consistent. That is key factor being a YouTuber. Just stay consistent, stick what you love to do, just be yourself. Step number 5, last but not least, how can I put this? Last but not least, always I lost my train of thought, excuse me, but make sure you always be yourself. Like, be yourself. Don't change. Don't do none of that. Just be yourself. Talk about what you want to talk about. Do what you want to do. It's your channel. Do what you want. Because I noticed a lot of people have changed on YouTube, or I've seen people be the nicest person in the world, and then they do this YouTube thing and they just change, So never let this YouTube stuff change you. Always stay the person that you are and don't change for nobody. So those are my 5 steps to being a YouTuber. It's not much to it. You're not spending no really bread for real, making a channel, none of that. But yeah, that's my little advice on how to start a YouTube channel. Those are the main key factors of having a YouTube channel. You, yourself, and I, camera, tripod. Make sure you're consistent. Also, learn how to manage your time. Managing your time is good too. have like a set schedule for yourself. Like, have a day where you just make videos, have another day where you just edit, have a day that you just post. Make sure you have like a schedule set for yourself, because I had where on Mondays and Wednesday, on Mondays I record videos, Wednesdays I edit, Fridays I try to post, or whenever day I feel like posting. But yeah, learn how to manage your time is another one. Make sure you stay self-motivated and stay yourself. That's mainly it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video on how to start a YouTube channel. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and you comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And yeah, if you want to start a YouTube channel, go ahead and do it right now. Period. Go ahead and do it. I only been on YouTube for 2 years, and I love being on YouTube. So yeah, go ahead, make you a channel, because you never know what's going to happen. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.